Sameer Sen, MD and CEO of Future Capital, joins us to tell about how the earnings have been. Sameer, hi, many thanks for joining in. Pleasure talking to you again. Has the situation improved from the last time that we interacted?
Yeah, I think if you look at things, you will probably see that we've had a pretty good quarter. We've actually managed to have keep a very strong balance sheet and grow our operating revenue quarter on quarter by over 33%. And I think if you look at the profitability of the company on a PBT basis as well, almost a 200% swing. On a PAT basis, also around the same, just a little under 200% from the same time last quarter. So I think we've had a decent move. I think we're on course to continue with the momentum.
That's good to hear. Sameer, what segments have contributed this time around, and going ahead for the remaining half? Do you believe the situation is buoyant enough for almost all of the segments that contribute to take you to the higher growth path?
I think if you look at really the work we put in last year, which is beginning to show a good movement this year, it's really in broadly our credit business, our wholesale and retail credit business. I think we took a fairly conservative stance very early on before things got a little shaky, and we were aggressive during the difficult times in growing our wholesale credit book. And so if you look at the turnaround in the retail financial services business, if you look at the momentum in the wholesale credit business, and the investment advisory has been pretty stable throughout in terms of AUMs. We've been flat. We haven't lost any assets. So I would say that a combination of these three, I see that momentum continuing at this point, and I think we're on track to deliver probably continued growth for the rest of the year.